Hey everyone, the Aokzoe A1X represents a significant leap in handheld gaming performance, delivering a powerful, console-like experience in a portable form factor. Recently launched in China, the A1X is positioned as a top-tier option for gamers who demand uncompromising specs on the go. It's powered by AMD's latest Ryzen 78840U, or the even more advanced Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor, both based on the cutting-edge Zen 5 architecture. These chips are paired with Radeon 890M integrated graphics that bring real-time ray tracing to the handheld scene, placing the A1X firmly in high-performance territory. This makes it one of the most capable handhelds available, especially in terms of GPU power and AI acceleration. The A1X features an 8-inch LTPS display with a sharp 1920 by 1200 resolution, a fluid 120 Hz refresh rate, and support for variable refresh rate. With a peak brightness of 500 nits and full 100% sRGB color gamut coverage, it provides vibrant visuals not only for gaming, but also for media consumption. When it comes to memory and storage, the A1X doesn't hold back. It offers configurations with up to 64 gigabytes of LPDDR, 5x RAM running at an impressive 7,500 MHz, and up to 2 terabytes of PCIe 4.0 SSD storage, ensuring lightning-fast game load times and ample room for even the largest libraries. These specs are particularly important for users looking to emulate AAA titles or run demanding native PC games. Powering the system is a sizable 72.7 watt-hour battery, which supports bypass charging to help extend battery lifespan during long gaming sessions. Charging is handled by a compact yet powerful 100-watt charger. Aokzoe has also addressed thermal performance seriously. Inside is a sophisticated cooling solution featuring a vapor chamber, PTM 7950 phase change thermal material, 3 6mm copper heat pipes, and a 71-blade fan. This setup helps keep the device cool even when the CPU is pushed to its 30-watt TDP limit. In terms of connectivity and expandability, the A1X is rich with options. It features a micro SD 4.0 card slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack, one USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 port, 2 USB 4.0 ports, and a high-speed Oculink port for external GPU docking, making it a versatile device for both handheld and desktop-style play. Control-wise, it includes improved ABXY buttons, a redesigned D-pad, capacitive analog sticks with Hall effect sensors, and analog Hall triggers, all of which contribute to precise and reliable inputs during gameplay. This software suite allows for full RGB lighting control, detailed TDP adjustments between 4 and 30 watt, and AI-based performance tuning to adapt the system's behavior based on the game or application in use. The device even includes a built-in kickstand with stepless angle adjustment, allowing users to set it up on a table for comfortable viewing when using external controllers or playing in desktop mode. Overall, the Aokzoe A1X delivers a premium, portable gaming experience, combining next-gen AMD processing power, a top-tier display, robust thermals, and expansive customization. While its starting price of roughly $795 places it in the higher-end category of handheld gaming PCs, its feature set and performance justify the cost for serious enthusiasts. This is not a device for casual mobile gamers, but for those who want to push the boundaries of portable PC gaming without compromises. Would you like a direct comparison to a similar handheld, like the ROG Ally or Steam Deck OLED? Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.